Rinse off quickly after a day in the pool or a long hike in nature with the Ivation Portable Camping Shower Kit with rechargeable batteries. With this convenient, travel-friendly bundle, you can take brisk showers on the go. Whether it is a day at the beach, camping, fishing, a trip to the dog park, or other outdoor activities, you can feel clean and refreshed with this portable shower set close by. Place the pump in a lake, river, or keep a water source at the ready with the collapsible bucket. The powerful rechargeable battery stays safely out of the water when it is attached to the flexible hose. Then simply turn on the power and get showered by a relaxing, gentle stream. And don't keep this multi-purpose showering device to yourself. The versatility of this shower kit is endless. Use it to rinse off your pets, water your garden, clean your kids, wash your car, and so much more. And with the included holders, you can shower with a great hands-free experience. Hang the hook holder from a branch or mount the suction holder to a wall or window. This quality shower kit comes with everything you need to rinse away dirt and grime. From the attachable sprayer for a concentrated stream to the tiltable shower head for a pleasant spray that feels like gentle rain. Getting down and dirty is no longer a worry with this on-the-go shower set. Keep clean during your next outdoor adventure with the Ivation Portable Camping Shower Kit with rechargeable batteries.